Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I kind of wanted to do like a fun little video. I'm going on vacation soon, actually next week in 6 days, and I wanted to do like a little twist on like a pack with me for vacation video. I wanted to kind of do like a full on like get ready with me and pack with me type of video. So I thought that would kind of be exciting for you guys to watch because I'm actually tomorrow's my last day of work, so I'm really excited. But tomorrow I'm actually going to go get waxed, and then Tuesday before I leave, I'm getting my hair done so I don't have to wash it the whole time I'm there. I just get out of bed and brush it and it's ready to go. So yeah, I'm really excited to be filming this because they're just really fun, and yeah, you can see what I'm packing for vacation. We're going to a resort that we go to almost every year. It's really fun, really exciting. So yeah, I thought I would just take you guys along, getting waxed with me, getting my hair done, packing, everything before we leave. So come along and get ready for vacation. Okay, so I have most of my clothes right here behind me. Keep in mind, I'm not going to be showing like everything that I'm packing just because I'm still 6 days away. I'm not leaving for 6 days, so I still like I can't pack like my toothbrush, my makeup, my skincare, stuff like that. So these are just like clothes and like stuff that I've like put aside and like put away. I like packing like really early because I used to pack like the day before, and then I would always end up forgetting like a ton of things, and yeah, it's just not good to do that. So I started to pack about a week before. So these are just clothes that I have picked out that I'm going to bring with me, that I'm just not going to wear and just pack with me. So, but it's not everything. Like I don't have like underwear or socks or stuff like that. I don't have all my shoes just because I'm still wearing them. I'm sure that makes sense. So just clothes that I put aside and I know that I'm gonna bring with me. So, and these are like not in any order. Like I literally just grabbed them if I saw them and I knew that I wanted to pack them. I just put them aside. So I just grabbed the pile. So here we go. So of course, first off, I have my Lulus. I wear these all the time, like almost every day. So I have to bring these. Absolute favorite pants. If you don't have these pants, you need to get them because they make your butt look amazing. And then I packed another pair of black leggings. These are just the TNA brand from Aritzia. And then I brought a pair of black biker shorts with some lace on them. They're super cute. This is just a pair of pajama shorts. It's gonna be really hot there, so wow, we have like everything black so far, you guys. I told you I wear a lot of black. Then I just brought this really cute like black ribbed crop top. I don't know if you can tell, but it's this like ribbed material. It's really cute. It's a very thick material, so it's kind of like a fancier, nicer shirt. I brought this just to wear like out to dinner with like some high-waisted jeans or something like that. So, and then I have just a plain aloe crop top racer back just for like going out exploring, stuff like that. And I just have this really cute like old-fashioned looking like floral shirt, kind of crop top thing, so look really cute with like shorts or leggings or high-waisted jeans. And another shirt from Aloe is this like shirt that I'm super obsessed with. It opens in the back like this, but the amazing thing is about the shirt is you can still wear a bra with it because this part covers your bra. It's coming out really blue on camera, but it's actually like a very light periwinkle blue. It's just a kind of like a crop top, tank top that, again, just to wear like exploring. One sweater, because I know it's gonna be hot, so oversized sweatshirt from Aritzia. And then I'm not actually bringing 3 pairs of jeans, I'm only bringing one. just to go out to dinner in, but I can't decide what jeans I want to bring. So I have, my options are these from Pretty Little Thing, which are super freaking cute. I have these ones from Target. Target has a brand called Wild Fable. I feel like their jeans are the only jeans that fit me really nicely. Any other pair of jeans are so, they just do not fit me. They're too big in the waist and then too tight in the butt, and like, I don't know. Literally nothing fits me but these. So I have a pair of white ones, of my favorite ones, which I wear all the time. Not all the time. What am I saying? I never wear jeans, but like when I do wear jeans, these are the ones that I pull out. So these are also the same Wild Fable jeans, but just in a denim blue color. Jean shorts, these are actually from H&M and they fit me so good. I guess I have another sweatshirt in here just in case, but this is a lighter one. It's not like a actual like hoodie, or just like a crew neck sweater. Okay, office fan over here, but I packed way more shirts than I needed to. I was gonna pack 8 shirts because we're gonna be gone for 7 days. So I just wanted to bring like an extra one. I'm pretty sure I packed like 12 shirts. I'm gonna have to consolidate here, but I just have one of my favorite shirts. As you can tell, there's like little mini stains on them, which you can't really tell in person, but the camera's picking it up a lot. This is an Aritzia shirt. It's just a cute little crop top, super comfortable. I have a Zara long sleeve crop top. This is really cute, maybe for like going out to dinner. Just super simple. It's ribbed. What is that? Oh, fuzz. You can see it has like that ribbed material. It's super cute. And another Wild Fable thing. I love their clothes. They're so cute. This is just like a kind of like a ruched in the front, and it's a crop top, ties at the bottom. My Amazon crop tops with the really pretty satin material that I showed in my, I believe it was my April/May favorites, or was it March/April, something like that. My last shirt, which is my another like ruched Zara shirt, just another like crop top just to kind of like hang out in. I'm bringing my just hat for like working out. I'm gonna be working out at the gym there, so just wanted to bring a hat. And I have some shoes. I'm just bringing my Dior. I'm like really like weird about touching the bottom of shoes, so if you see me like touching them weird, that's why. So if I'm holding them, my Dior slides. I love, have 2 pairs of sunglasses, one from Amazon and one from Fendi. These are my absolute favorite sunglasses. I'm gonna try them on because I just want you to see how much I love them. They're so cute. I'm obsessed. These are, I can't remember the names of these, but it's from Amazon. I love them just as much. They're so cute, completely different style, but I'm bringing both of them because I'm extra like that. I can't choose, so I'm gonna bring both of them. And deodorant, I use the Native deodorant, for sensitive skin. And then this is the perfume I'm bringing, Bronze Goddess. Best perfume for summer, you guys. I also put this in my April favorites video. So this is the best on a vacation, and I'm gonna be on vacation, so it's perfect. I am bringing some sunscreen and some tanning lotion. This is the best tanning lotion out there. Dry shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo ever. Lysol wipes because I'm a germaphobe, and second, I'm going to a hotel room, so I always just wipe down everything. I trust people that clean the rooms, but I just like to be extra clean, so I like peace of mind. So I always have like disinfecting wipes. So I'm really extra, and I'm bringing 3 bags. I feel like you need to have like different bags for like different days. So like, I'm gonna bring my mini like crossbody bag. I love this. You can't really see. It's gonna be, you know, like this. I feel like I need, you know, like a small crossbody bag for like going out to dinner and like, you know, like nighttime, evening type of thing. My Gucci disco bag. This is just also like another like everyday type of bag. I'm bringing this is the Louis Vuitton on the go MM size bag, and I'm bringing this for like in the car. So, you know, for like traveling, I can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's gonna be for like while we're in the car driving. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm bringing as far as like skincare, hair stuff, makeup in my bathroom, because I'm still using these things, so I'm not obviously packing them right now. So I'm just gonna show you basically what I'm bringing. Of my fresh soy face cleanser. This is what helped me with my breakouts. Probably gonna bring my Ole Hendrickson lemonade smoothing scrub. Love this as an exfoliator. And I'll probably just bring my little toner, since it takes up less space. The fresh kombucha facial treatment essence. My Youth to the People vitamin C serum. I also really love this. I'm bringing my Skin Fix Barrier Plus moisturizer, a Pharmacy Honey Drop lightweight moisturizer. And I will be bringing my sunscreen. I use the Glow Screen, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. I use these two every day and they just are like amazing together. I will be taking my caffeine eye cream. This is from the Inky List. Best stuff ever. And then I think that's it for skincare. I'm just gonna try to keep it like really like simple and like just kind of do it and go. Makeup, I'm gonna be bringing It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream, and then the Ilia True Skin foundation. These go amazing together. Bringing a bottle of alcohol because, again, I'm a germaphobe. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Waffle type of pants. And so yeah, I just have everything kind of spread out on my bed right here, and this is what we're working with so far. So now I'm going to put all of these in my suitcase. Packing a really small suitcase. As you can see, it's not big at all. Oh, do you wanna hold on? Come here. So I have to fit. No, do not jump down. Do not jump down. Silla's at the edge of the bed and she's like about to jump into the suitcase. So I can only fit everything that I have in here and in my duffel bag that I'm bringing. So let's try to attempt this. So I literally just realized I only put in my shorts and my jeans and it's like almost halfway full already. So I don't know about this. I might have to bring my bigger suitcase. This is gonna be an issue. A lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. My dinner bag is going to go in this little pocket right here. Hello guys, it is T-minus 5 days until we leave for vacation. Just got my armpits waxed. So Tuesday before we leave, because we leave Wednesday, I will be getting my hair done. It looks like a hot mess. So let's take you guys along with me. Hello, hello. I got my nails done yesterday, as you can see, and I love them. I went really long because I'm going on vacation. Sorry if I still have my morning voice. I literally woke up like 40 minutes ago and I got dressed, got ready to go to my hair appointment. So I'm about to pick up some Starbucks. and head on the road. So let's go get our hair done. Very much needed. I think I'm on like 10-day hair. So lips are doing really good. All the swelling went down, all the bruising went down. But they did get a little bit smaller. So I definitely want to go back for another syringe, but yeah, this is what they look like so far. Loving them. So let's go. Leave for New Mexico in one day. I'm so excited. I need this. I think everyone needs this vacation so bad. Like, I'm so excited. So just got my hair done, and she just did a really quick blowout, and I'm loving it. So I didn't get to go get my Starbucks, so I'm gonna go get that now. And yeah, so I don't have to wash my hair for a whole week while I'm gone. So it's gonna be so much easier and it looks so much prettier. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my Starbucks and finally finish packing.